such a fool to trust him.
Well, I don't know about being a fool. Naive, maybe. Gullible, certainly. Did I mention naive?
I'm just a scrawny little shunter. What made me think I could go over the mountain?
And it's all my fault.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whatever happened to Little Miss I think I can, etc.?
Guess she knows now. She can't. Ace? You're safe! But how'd you get away? Where's everybody else? I can't make it.
You heard her. It's over. We're done. Finished. Kaput.
I'm sorry. I can't.
If you think you can, you will. If you think you can't, you won't. Gator! Either way, you're right. Being brave is not the same as not feeling scared. Being brave is about what you do, even when you do feel scared.
Maybe I can still do something. Ugh, but I'm out of water.
Would a water tower help?
What? Where?
Water tower. Right here. Too bad it's out of reach.
You have an idea, Ace? About flying?
Why do you ask?